All right, the first step that you want to do when you're bleeding the brakes on a CRV, take the cap off, fill the master cylinder up as high as you can possibly fill it up to. Jesus. Next step you want to do, you want to put the cap on, but don't twist it all the way tight. Twist it just a little bit, right there. Boom. The next step, you're going to tell the person who's ever pressed it on the brakes exactly how you want to do it. You're going to have him pump 3 times. 2, 3. Now he's going to hold. You go back to the wheel. I don't have that wrench. Go back to the wheel. Oh, that's horrible. You're going to loosen the bleeder screw on the caliper. It's going to start coming out. He's going to tell you when it gets all the way to the floor. See, his foot is all the way down to the floor. He's going to continue holding. At that point, then you tighten back up the bleeder screw. Tell him, go ahead, pump it up. Hold. Go back to the caliper. Loosen the bleeder screw until it comes out a steady stream. And he's to tell you when it goes to the floor. See that? Tell him pump it up again. Go to the other side. Hold. See, the stream is nice and steady. That's how you know this side is good. Tell him when it goes to the floor.
To the floor.
Tighten it down. One more time on this side. Pump it up. Is it starting to get tight?
Yes.
All right, hold it. Come to this side. Loosen the bleeder screw. Steady stream. Steady. Tell me when it goes to the floor. It's all the way down to the floor. Tighten that up. Go up to the front. Check out your fluid level. The fluid level is pretty decent. We're gonna add a little bit. You're gonna put the cap back in. Put the cap back on, tighten it all the way completely. Now pump it up 10 times. Tell me how it feels. How does this feel?
Great. Feels good.
All right, the brakes are now nice and tight, but just to double check, we'll loosen it one more time. Make sure the stream, there's no air pockets inside of the line. Ready? Hold it. See that? A steady, smooth stream. All the way to the floor?
Yeah, floor.
Tighten it up. Now we're ready for a test drive.